Main events of the Mughal dynasty. Number 1, Babur 1526 to 1530. In 1527 CE, he fought a battle with the brave Rana Sangha at Kanwa, in which Babur defeated him as his army was equipped with cannons. In 1530, Babur fell ill and died. He fought many battles to lay a strong foundation of the Mughal Empire and gain control over areas near Delhi and Agra. He emerged victorious in most of the battles. Students, Babur was the founder of Mughal dynasty in India. He attacked Delhi in 1526 CE and established Mughal rule in India by winning the Battle of Panipat. Then, in 1527 CE, he fought a battle with Rana Sangha at Kanwa. Babur used cannons in the war and defeated him. Babur fought many battles and laid a very strong foundation of the Mughal Empire in Delhi and in Agra. He mostly won all the battles. In 1530, Babur fell ill and he died. Humayun 1530 to 1540 and 1555 to 1556. Humayun ascended the throne of Delhi after Babur. According to his father's will, the kingdom was divided and each of his brothers inherited one province. He retained Delhi. Humayun had to struggle a lot against his brother Kamran and the Afghans. Humayun was defeated twice by Sher Shah and he had to escape for 15 years in order to save his life. During that time, Akbar was born in the palace of the king of Amarkot. Humayun regained Delhi from the successors of Sher Shah. Students, Humayun was Babur's son. He ascended the throne after Babur. As per Babur's will, the kingdom of Mughal dynasty was divided among his sons. Humayun followed Babur's will and divided the kingdom among his brothers. Humayun ruled from Delhi. Humayun had to constantly struggle with his brother Kamran and even the Afghan invaders. Humayun lost twice against Afghan invader Sher Shah. Humayun escaped and remained hidden for 15 years. Meanwhile, Humayun's wife gave birth to Akbar in the palace of King of Amarkot. And later, Humayun regained Delhi from the rulers that ruled after Sher Shah. Sher Shah 1540 to 1545. Sher Shah Suri was an Afghan leader who had progressed on his own. He defeated Humayun twice and therefore established the Sur dynasty in Delhi. After gaining control over Delhi, he won many other important battles. He then extended his empire from Kabul to Bengal and Malwa. He is known as a reformer in history. After Sher Shah, the Mughal dynasty was re-established in Delhi. Students, Sher Shah Suri was an Afghan leader and he progressed on his own. He defeated Humayun two times and then established Sur dynasty in Delhi. After establishing his rule over Delhi, he won many other battles and extended his empire from Kabul to Bengal and then Malwa. He ruled for 5 years. He is also known as a famous reformer in the history. After Sher Shah, Humayun re-established Mughal dynasty in Delhi. Students, if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe the channel Asma Babwani. Click on the bell icon to get the latest updates. Like the videos, share the videos, and do comment on all the videos.